Hey guys, today I will show you how to leave a quest in Monster Hunter World. There are two ways to leave a quest: abandon quest or return from quest. If you abandon quest, all items you've used inside the quest are given back to you and anything you've looted is lost. This option is useful if you spent a lot of resources on a hard fight and didn't like how the hunt played out. If you return from quest, items you've used are lost. Anything you've looted is kept. This option is like doing the quest but not completing the main objective, so you won't get normal completion rewards. To leave a quest, open the in-game menu. Navigate to the quest section and select either abandon quest or return from quest, depending on what outcome you want. Confirm your choice when the game asks you and you'll be safely returned to the hub area. And that is how to leave a quest in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.